What's up, Class FitSugar? It's your girl, your host, Ketania. I'm here with my girls, Pauline and Leilani, and we got a go-to Pilates workout that's going to burn those buns. Yes, you heard it. Burn those buns. Lift what your mama gave you. It's easy to follow, it's low impact. All you gotta do is have yourself on a mat and ready to go. Let's get into it. All right, go ahead and find yourself center, parallel squat position. Give me a nice deep bend in those legs and lift. I want you to squeeze those glutes at the top. Right away, reach those arms forward. Find the weight in those heels. Oh yeah. Let's get it going. How you doing, ladies?
Doing good.
All right, let's get into it. 10 more seconds on the clock. Squeeze that glute to the top. Each time, just find that weight in the heels. Give me 4 more seconds, and then we're gonna hold it there. 2, 1, hold it there. Very nice. I'm gonna lift my head up, but I want you to keep your eyes down towards the floor. Send more weights into those glutes. Send it back. Sit into that seat. Can we go a little bit lower?
Got you.
Okay, there we go.
Burn.
Connect to that core. Yes, burn, burn, burn. But that burn is gonna increase in a moment. We're here for 10 more seconds. Can we get a little bit lower? Oh yes. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lift all the way up. Fantastic. Find those legs, heels together, toes apart. Go ahead and lift those heels, connect those heels, inner thighs. Reach those arms out to the side and press and lift. Take it down, press and lift. I want you to imagine that you are squeezing those legs together each time you lift. Lovely, longer spine. Give me 10 more seconds. Can we get deeper into that bend? Oh yes, 5, 4, 3, 2, hold at the bottom. Very nice. Can we get lower?
Ooh.
How low can you go? Can you get down low? All the way to the floor, not to the floor. Hold it there. Press it back. That's it. Oh, I feel the shakes.
Me too.
And it's not an earthquake happening. Those are my legs. Here we go. We got 10 more seconds. 8. Oh yeah, can we get a little bit lower? 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lift all the way up. Oh, shake that out. Come down to the floor. Oh, all right. We're on our forearm here. Hip stack, knee stacks. Go ahead and take that top leg out. Take it out and in. So my girl over here, Leilani, she's doing all the modifications. And know that modifications does not mean that it's easier.
No, it does not.
Okay, here we go. Give me 2 more. 1 more, we're gonna hold it there. Flex that foot and point. Flex and point. Connect the core. Support the bottom side. Make sure the shoulder and that elbow right in line. How you doing, Pauline?
Holding up.
Okay. Give me 3 more. 2, 1, hold it there. I want you to bend and press. It's a very small bend and press. That energy is coming straight through the heels. Almost think lightning bolt. I'm sending you energy right across there. Excellent. We're here for 4 and 3. Connect to that core. And 2, 1. Keep that heel flex. I want you to send that leg back. Now notice my torso did not move, just my legs. Almost imagine there's a beautiful tray on my tray, chocolate.
Ooh.
What's on your tray?
Oh, I was gonna keep with the chocolate theme. Some chocolate covered strawberries.
We could stay with chocolate. And for you?
Cookies, and you know I'm not dropping those cookies.
Cookies, honey. We got cookies on trays, chocolate on trays here. You have 5 more. You're like, why are you talking about chocolate? My leg is burning. Oh yes. Here we go. 3 and 2. Lovely. 1, send that heel all the way back. Bring that leg down. Give me knee and then toe. Knee and toe. Keep those hips stacked. Connect to that core. Oh yes. We're almost there. Give me 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Fabulous. Take it back from the top. This time we're gonna add a little lift. Hands behind the head. Lift in that bottom leg. Press that floor away with that bottom leg. Kick it out. Oh. Whenever my leg extends, I dream about being, what's that? A rocket?
Ooh, yeah.
Yes. Long legs, long beautiful legs. Here we go. Give me 4, 3, 2. Let's hold it there. 1, point and flex. We're not here long. 8, oh yes.
I feel
7,
the burn.
It
Woo.
burns. It really
6,
does.
oh yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's slide it back. We've got it. Woo! Lovely. Give me 4, 3, and we got another side. 2, and 1. Lower it all the way down. Sweep that leg back. Let's go. Knee to toe. Knee to toe. Keep that lift. Ooh. Do you feel it right on the outside of that hip?
Definitely, all on the side.
Oh, all on the side. Those abductors are working and burning. Give me 4, 3, 2, just because I love you. 1, sweep that leg forward. Give me a nice little pulse. Extend to that heel. We're gonna finish it out here. Oh, I know. Stay lifted on that bottom side. Tell those glutes, I love you. And that is the only reason why we're doing this. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo!
Yes.
Lift it up. Let's get to that other side. All right, we're gonna repeat the same thing on the other side. Let's do. Take it all the way out. Take it out and in. Lovely. Now, since we know where we're going with this, I want you to really focus on your core. Let that core really help out in those legs. Give me 2, 1, hold it here, flex and point. Connect to that core. Keep the leg parallel, yes? You don't want that toe pointing up. Nice, give me 3, 2, and 1. Keep the heel flexed. Give me energy through that heel each time. Press to that heel. Almost as if you're raising the roof with the heel. Imagine if you could actually raise a roof with your heel.
Okay.
That's some power there. Give me 4.
Like the Hulk.
Like the Hulk. 2, and 1. Hold it there. Sweep that leg back. We're back with our trays of chocolate. On this side, I think I'm serving red wine.
Ooh, I think I want sushi.
Sushi. Ooh.
Switch it up.
Switch it up. I like sushi.
Who doesn't?
Who doesn't? Exactly. Give me 2. Lovely. 1 more. Hold it back there. Find that figure 4. Let's go. Knee to toe. To toe. Keep the hips stacked. Connect to that core each time. I almost think I'm doing like a little mini dance on here. Like the butterfly or the Tootsie Roll, depending on where you're from.
Let's go, let's go.
Okay, butterfly, uh-oh, that's old. Give me 2 more. 1 more. Bring it all down. Okay. Whew. Last set. Let's get it. Hands behind the head. Take it out. Now, if you're like, why do I feel that burn on the other side right away? Because we worked that side when we did this on the other side. Give me 3 more. 2, 1, and hold it. Flex and point. I know, just breathe with me. Don't cuss me out.
I'm gonna say.
Give me 3, 2, 1. Let's slide it back. Oh, I know. Flex that foot. Oh, yes. Here come that earthquake again. Take it back. Connect to that core. Oh, yes. Breathe, breathe. I don't hear you breathing. Give me 2 and 1. Bring it all down. Knee to toe. Oh, we're almost there. I'm just thinking about all those beach days. That lifted butt. It was all worth it. Give me 4, 3, 2, you know I love you. 1, let's get it. Press the heel. Oh yes, there we go, home stretch. We're almost there. Count down with me. Give me 5,
5,
4, yes, 3,
3,
2,
2,
1. Oh, lay onto your back. Hug the knees into the chest. Tell your glutes, I love you. I do this because I love you. Extend both legs long. Take that left leg on top of that right. Thread the arm through. Lift. Oh yes, bring that leg towards you. Deep breath in, inhale. Exhale. You can drop the head if you need to. Again, big breath, inhale. And exhale. Lovely, extend both legs long. Take that right leg on top of the left. Woo! This side.
Yes. Oh, I feel it.
Oh yes. Big breath, lift the head, neck, and shoulders. You could drop the head and neck down if you need to. Deep breath. And exhale. Very nice. Bring both legs together, grab the back of those thighs, rock and roll forward, extend those legs long. Reach those arms up and over. Give yourself a nice lengthen stretch here. Breathe here. And exhale. One more. And exhale, roll it all the way up. Oh, that was a burn. Did you ladies feel that?
I feel lifted already.
Oh, lifted is key. My name is Kay Tanya. I'm with my girls, Pauline and Leilani, and we'll see you next time on Class FitSugar. Bye.